Hi, good day, dear CIOs and CXOs. This is in continuation to the program which we did with IIPM. So today we would cover topics on thermography and weir debris analysis. And we have with us Professor Barik from IIPM. He will take us through on this interesting topic about what is thermography, how does it work, what is the technology behind it, and then what are the use cases or applications in industries of thermography. This is what we would cover. And I would now request Professor Barik to take us through the session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of Indian Institute for Production Management, I would extend my thanks, Kamalji and Atulji, giving me such opportunity once again. So at first, we should start the thermography. So before entering into the thermography world, so we should know, so what is thermography? So thermography is nothing but a condition monitoring tools or technology of the infrared imaging, or you can say it is a science or technology for hotspot distribution of the measurement of the temperature. So infrared means it is not visible in the where every object in the earth, they are radiating infrared, which is not visible to our naked eye. But nowadays, a technology invented and worldwide, and even also industry, we are using that is thermography camera. By means of thermography camera, which consists of lens, detector, sensors, and display screen, which pick up that infrared region which our naked eye cannot pick up. That taking this through the sensor, it display in the screen by some settings. We can see the thermograms. We can see the thermogram. Thermogram is nothing but the pictorial view of heat patterns and with different color and temperature. So in this slide, I just given one instant. You see, so in a cable chamber in the panel, so in general camera, what we saw, so nothing we are finding any fault or any hotspot is not locating in this left side of the figure. But in the right side, this picture is taken by the thermography camera. We found there are three phases R, Y, V, and in V phase, that is the hotspot. Hotspot means it is a high hottest stage. That it gives idea there is some fault. So what is that fault or problem? So that means here maybe looseness, maybe some dust particle deposit means resistance high, maybe burnt. So that after seeing this, so it gives an advanced early stage information to the user. That means that phase has some problem. We should rectify it, de-energizing and rectify it. This is one angle.
Professor Barik,
So
there is this interrupting this. There is this on the side of your screen. Some
then see what is written in the screen. So I'm just telling all the sorts of things.
no. I'm saying there is something on the right side of the screen which is obstructing the presentation.
Or right side of the screen.
Yeah. This part. Yes.
Uh,
On the right side, boss, not on the left. Ha, either. Yes. This part. Is there a screen or video? You can minimize it. Yeah, it is better now. Go on. Yeah. Please
Yeah,
continue.
now it is better. Yeah.
okay. So we can now able to define the thermography. Thermography is the science or techniques of infrared imaging to view or see the heat in terms of temperature with different colors, which is known as a terminology that is pellet. So the thermo camera or thermography camera, which is a condition monitoring tools or technology, including lens, detector, sensors. So thermography means writing with heat, just like photography means of light and blades. These are the fundamental and the basic principle of the, so basic principle of the thermography is working principle lies on the that is your Stephen Boltzmann's law. Every object emits infrared if its surface temperature is more than absolute zero or minus 270 degree. So whatever the heat infrared energy radiated from the surface, that is captured by the law, that is equal to heat is equal to sigma equivalent T to the power 4. Sigma is the Stephen Boltzmann constant, whose value is 5.6696 into 10 to the power minus 8. whereas epsilon is the emissivity, T is the absolute temperature. So by using this pinful and optics pinful and electronics and IT, thermography camera and thermography technology comes into era. So nowadays, you might have noticed in the railway stations, airport, and our um, mm, bus stops and hospitals, a person is standing near the gate or in the platform with a thermography camera, which taking the thermal scanning of the peoples. So from that, they are detecting the whether this person is suffering in the COVID, corona or not. In the COVID era, it helps a lot. That type of thermal scanner or thermography is used for this. But this picture is taken in in a motor, hotspot motor. If you see this, this is called thermogram, having different colors or pellet with a temperature scale. So from this scale in different colors, the blue color is the cold spot, where the yellow and white spots are the yellow and white spot is the hottest portion. In the driving end, we are seeing there is some problem, maybe bearing or shaft problem. So some picture taken from the thermography in the Syria Pacific, people are walking morning walk. You see those part of the body is locomotion or moving condition. It is the white stage. That means this due to locomotion muscles are expanded and sweating. That portion is white. That means heated area. In the neck portion, you might have seen this is the hot spot. Similarly, in a baby, in the eye person and eye person, some persons are yellow and white spot is the problem area, means that that baby is in locomotion condition. In the building, you might have where the sunlight is falling in the roof and around the periphery of the, we are seeing the yellow and white colors. So that is the hotspot by the thermography camera. But in this motor, in the driving end, there is a gearbox is there. This point is more hotted, means yellow white stage is the hotspot by the thermography camera. That means something error or something troubles in the driving end of the motor. After disassembling this, we can find out the what is the real trouble, whether bearing or shaft or anything problem going on. So they you see the foot after morning walk. If you take the thermography camera through the thermography camera, you take the thermogram in the muscle person and locomotion person. You see the yellow stage, and yellow, red, and white are hottest area. Blue, green, just like a rainbow color, that are the coldest area. Different types of thermography camera for the industrial application as well as military application we are using day by day. So in thermography technology, the pellet, the hot pattern, heat pattern of the colors is very important. In thermography camera, there are 9 pellets. Some camera having 3 pellets, some camera having 7 pellets, some camera having, means all camera, you cannot find total 9 pellets. 9 pellets means heat pattern of the colors. Normally in Asian continent, we are using iron and rainbow mostly, but still some in different setting of the thermograph, different pellet setting of the thermography camera. If you notice the water tank, this is the pellet is set by gray, and this same picture thermogram taken in the iron view. If the iron pellet is set, this looks like this. If we set the rain color, the water tank's thermogram is like this. If we take the gray red and gray pellet, so it looks like this. And if we set the gray yellow and gray yellow inverse, so we see the water tank like this. If we set the globe blow and globule bow, so water tank's thermogram is like this.
But whatever, Barikji, whatever we use, ultimately it will show the color, the temperature would be, range would be same, no?
See, sir, in the rainbow color, that is we are using VV gas.
Yeah.
But we have thermography camera manufacturer, they have given as per the rate or cost or price, they are as per your requirement, you can choose 3 pellet camera, 7 pellet camera, like rainbow camera, and also even medical and other areas, also some sophisticated camera is available. It consists of 9 pellets. But if we consider the at least 3 colors or 7 colors, means in Asian continent, because the hazardous area, so it is better we choose or select the pellet that is rainbow color. Rainbow color means VV Gear, that is 7 colors. That 7 colors and green, blue, and other, that is the coldest region. But hottest region, that is your yellow, white, yellow, and red zone. If red color, yellow color, and yellow, white, they if they in the thermogram pellet is matlab thermogram means pictorial view of the thermographic camera, if it is coming, there means some problem is there, maybe corroded, pitted, maybe dust deposition, maybe looseness, maybe crack in the pipeline where the gas flow or liquid flow is, hot liquid is flowing. There are so many region we can, in there is a software, by software we can find the actually problem like that. And in the mid green you see the, so in every camera, for regarding the pellet, so in a manual book, so many guidelines has written. So seeing the
Understood. Understood. So, Barik sir, just to,
yeah,
so that now we get into the other part, which is like, how does this help in the maintenance and predictive maintenance?
yeah. See,
Ah,
directly going to some case study
sure,
in
sure.
electrical area. Normally in industry, in pipeline, your furnace and motor, pump, as well as your furnace, motor, any mechanical machine, and in the substation mostly and widely used in the thermography camera, and the cable box and cable in the panel, cable terminals, everywhere we can use. I'm showing the application in the industry as well as military as well as medicals, and from aerograph, sorry, some from agriculture to space we can use it.
Sure.
That just sir, let me continue.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will
Yeah, yeah.
you
Maybe
will
that will be of interest because
yeah.
that will be of more interest. That is why I said.
Yeah. I'm trying on my way. If I express, so it will better for convincing you. And
Sure, sure,
when the
sure.
same slide will come, I will again repeat this. Just a
Sure,
minute.
sure, sure.
Achha, you
Great.
see now it is coming. It is good. It is coming. You see the application. So where we can use the thermographic camera in satellite imagery, means the space we can also use. In the thermography camera is attached with the plane satellite. It will also, from the satellite picture, it will give the thermograph where is the problem. And industry, in the both passive mode and active mode, we can use it. Any machine, electronics, mechanical and electrical, any joints, any pipelines, any flow, furnace, everywhere you can use. In medical science, if you just like your X-ray machines, if we focus the thermography camera, the body of a person, if in the hand wound is there, some घाव हो गया है, तो वो वहाँ हॉटस्पॉट दिखाई देगा. बाकी रीजन में वो blue color या other दिखाएगा.
Okay.
That means that indicates some troubles or disease in the hotspot. That we have to find out by diagnostic analysis and interpretation. In the veterinary, in the also animal husbandry, we can use it. Building and roof. Nowadays, multi-storage buildings are going there. So some cracks are there. That cracks can be detected. Firefighting. And in the military and surveillance, we can use also in the nightmare camera. In the military portion, they are using the thermography, sir. This is the application of the thermography industry as well as space, medical, and also in our civil area or building and road. Even also in the road, the concrete road or pitchu road, so tar road, we can also find the cracks. We can detect through the so mostly mechanical equipment, refractor line, furnace, insulated hot, cold, and electrical equipment. Normally in industry we are using the thermography camera and thermography technology. We can what kind of fault we can detect it. Joint looseness, leak detection, process monitoring control, manufacturing defect, non-destructive test, quality control, research and develop, and PCB, printed color board troubleshooting. In electronics PCB, in television or computer, so we can find. So what is the advantages using this camera or thermography technology? First thing is safety from hazard accidents. Non-contact method means without touching the camera, any hot object or any machine, keeping far away, keeping the setting the range and distance, and focusing all these things, we can find out. Can be done from the safe distance. Night viewing is also possible because just like in our mobile, that some light system is there. When we are doing the photography, at that time when we click it, the clear picture is coming. Similarly, same type of arrangement in the thermography camera, in the manual buttons, that is the keyboard is there, or some cases also human machine interface, just like in ATM machine, by finger touching also possible. Done on the live equipment means energized, fully running condition, any system or any machine going on in the printing press, in the textile, in the everywhere we can have time saving methods, as also pinpoint the thermal abnormality means there is some anomaly which is different from the actual. That can be, if you find or detect any anomaly in the thermogram, that indicates clearly some problem or trouble is happened. That trouble can be detected if you upload the thermograph in the software. The software will tell you tell the exact problem or exact fault of the object or machines. Give excellent result when they compare with the other condition monitoring technique. So what is the benefit? First thing is, we can aware, our user can aware before the early stage, well advanced stage. So what is happening in the bearing? Suppose a bearing is going to fail in 15 days or 1 month, that will detect some before early stage. Then we can take the utmost care and remedial action. Then bearing life can be extended. Minimize the breakdown, minimize the downtime, and increase the off time. So in the breakdown, so many losses, so many time, money, cost, time, money, energy, human resource, unnecessary loss, and main thing is production loss. Our management is hankering for the production. So if production loss, whatever the breakdown, whatever the region, they are sometimes not listening. So maintain only when it is necessary. Normally, if your organization having 2-3 camera and thermographers, if you appointed the simple diploma, electrical or mechanical, if you engage them, and every week or every month, if you take the thermogram from the thermography camera, so you will able to detect the what is the problem in the each and every system or machine. Maintain only when it is necessary. Minimize cost and preventive maintenance. The preventive maintenance, the total maintenance cost of an Indian industry is 35% of the production cost. So for my knowledge concern. So if you use the thermography camera, by thermography technology, we can reduce per annum 10% total maintenance cost will be reduced, including if you add with the vibration and loop analysis simultaneously, definitely every year 10 to 15% straight saving. You
That
can
is
make
huge.
your, yeah.
Huge,
Then
very great. That's a very huge amount.
no, but camera price is started from 3 lakhs to 70 lakhs.
Okay.
It depends, just like our mobiles. So as per the specification, as per the standard, so that can do this. Minimize the cost of and maximize the availability. So it's better the equipment will be maintainable, available, operable, and reliable. Then maintenance crew member hand over the production department. Sir, you take this machine. We are assuring you at least you run this 3 months without any production hamper. So machines availability and number of hours of running will be more, and that much guarantee a user or maintenance crew or from the maintenance management department side, they can assure the production as well as operation department by using the condition monitoring technology. And energy saving, time saving. Beside that, other benefits are, first is it is non-contact. So no harm to camera because far away from the machine, hottest object standing from the little bit distance. So we can take the picture by setting some range, resolution. So many things are there coming ahead. Can be employed in hazardous condition. Night monitoring is possible. Even in the industry, in the night, our consultant thermographers are visiting throughout the India as abroad or neighboring countries like Sri Lanka and Nepal and Bhutan. They are doing also night monitoring. In the night time, in the transmission line, by sitting in a vehicle in the long road, they are by focusing the camera, the vehicle is moving and simultaneously camera is moving. So total clear picture of the transmission line or distribution line they can take. Our IPM consultants engineers, they are condition monitoring engineers, or we can say thermographer or vibration. They are visiting radiously. Done on the live equipment means energized as well as running condition. We can take this. Multiple measurement modes are there. There is a keyboard is there, functional keys are there, we can operate it. Pinpoint thermal abnormality. If any problem in due to thermal pattern, due to temperature, there is a rise in temperature that is called delta T. From that delta T, we can able to assess the what is the fault or problem. And online monitoring, not offline monitoring. No need to stop the machine, maybe energize, effective predictive maintenance techniques, proper utilization, give early warning and catastrophic failures. We can save a lot of money. Spare parts is unnecessary. There is a strategy in the replacement and repairing. There is a strategy. Sometimes it is the higher management is unable to decide whether I will replace the component or repair the component. If we repair the component, so cost of the repairing is more than that of the new replacement component. That have been decided by the management. So normally in electrical equipment, we are using switchyard, transformer, switch gears, electrical cabinet, motors, power cables, and power electronics. So what is the problem we can find due to temporary rise, current flows, joint, loose joint, deposition of contaminated substance, oily substance, giddiness due to looseness, that hotspot will be detected. Cause open circuit, maybe short circuit, and fire hazard. From the fire hazard, we can save the transformer. Transformer is the heart of the power center, and in the transmission line, in the substation, mostly we can use the thermography camera beside the subfloor. So that can help you a lot. So here is a switchyard circuit current transformer. You see, if you see this picture is known as, this picture is taken by thermography camera. This is called thermogram. Thermogram means space distribution of heat with the temperature scale and colors. You see this blue region is totally cool region. Yellow white stage is here. You see this joint and you see this joint. What is the difference? There is some anomalies different than actual. That means here is the problem. Our photograph, our thermogram shows this joint, this phase has some problem. So we have to take utmost care. So how? So here is the temperature value is already as per the color written there, and we have to find out the temperature rise. So then finally in the reporting we are providing the recommendation and suggestion. The temperature of the same clamp was found 53 degree. That is delta T or rise in temperature by calculation, by assessment, by software. After it was cleaned and tightened, replace the clamp for the best result. So initially maximum temperature was 253. After repair, after taking care, so it is reduced to 53. But what is the delta T? Just take the cold region temperature, minimum temperature, you just minus it, you find the delta T. And you compare with the objectant, but in the camera software is there. It can also, if you purchase the Fluke, so ready-made solution camera will give, but we are mostly reliable on the FLIR company camera. Similarly, I'm showing this transformer. You see this picture, right side picture taken by the normal color camera or your mobile camera. You see this picture, left side picture photography is taken by the thermography camera. What is the difference? Here is the anomaly. Here is the difference. You see the hot spot. These three phases, three bushings, HT bushings having in the problem. There may be deposition of the contaminated substance. There may be leakage of oil. There may be means resistance is very high. That's why temperature is more. Then stop de-energizing the transformer. You check the bushing top and find out the problem and take the remedial action. So here temperature is noted for your kind information. So in the report, normally transformer serial numbers, area, and company's name, and which component name, and according to hotspot or line, it is recorded. So from that, there is a secrecy finding the delta T. After finding the delta T or rise in temperature, our thermographer or consultant engineer or analyst give the recommendation what to do and what to not to do. Similarly, in the electrical panel, you see this electrical panel, the three phase, these are hot, no problem at all. This is the abnormality. Anomaly is here, something different from this phase. That means the temperature is high, so maximum is 66.9 because it's the hot yellow stage. That means 66. It is recorded by the camera. So after rectification, rectify the aforesaid connection and opportunity, you will also see the permissible temperature, which is not harm for the panel. Similarly, in the motor, you see the terminal box in the terminal cement mill 80 motors, you see. So here is the problem. This line having or this connection having problem. So temperature is more. So near about 156 degree, 156.0 degree. So see, in the LT panel, it's possible opening the door and take the thermography and recommendation suggestion by comparison, interpretation and analysis, and we can go for recommendation suggestion. But in LT panel, nobody can allow to open the door. It is strictly prohibited by the central electricity rule. You cannot open the HT panels. So on that case, what happened? Our condition monitoring cell or monitoring engineer advise the company, please do a hole and set a what type of things you just give a IR window. One window is fitted. This type of window will be fitted in the door of the panel. From that panel, we will aim and focus whatever the internal wiring section, total picture is come out, and taking the hotspot or thermogram, we can able to detect the what kind of fault happening inside the your wiring sections or any other component like measuring instrument, whatever bus bar, if bus bar is heated, everything we can detect out. But this this is IR window. You see the black cap type substance. This is the IR window that will be fitted in the panel door. It is made by it is the low cost polymer optics susceptible, and by focusing the camera, you see the thermocouple. By seeing this, you send the resolving the camera in this degrees. Angle of resolution is like that, and if you focus this inside the panel, what is happening there? This type of technology, and only in the HT panel you have to set a IR window, that is polymer cap type substance. Just you keep distance 4 inch to 6 inch. Camera and panel door distance minimum is the safest deviation 4 inch to 6 inch. Or never contact the camera lens, this lens with the panel. There is danger. If infrared radiation directly lens will capture and send to the by the detector, and detector sensor will send this and display in the screen. IR camera is different manufacturer having in the worldwide. So FLIR is the most suitable for the industrial application, and Fluke, so many people are also using Fluke. Fluke gives ready-made solution, but by analyzing all these things, sometimes whatever the recommendation suggestion by the Fluke software, sometimes it is deviated from our consultant. That's why we are not using. As per the different star rating, FLIR, Switzerland-based company, FLIR IR thermography camera is best as compared to other manufacturers. Okay, and different series of camera nowadays worldwide is available. E series camera for industrial application, but low cost. P series is high end and sophisticated and high resolution. So many specifications available. P series normally is better for the industry. A series is process monitoring and automation. Gas finding. Is it visible, sir? Hello. Hello.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes. If any problem, just disturb me and tell me. So you see this as a gas finding IR series IR camera is detection of gas leakage. Normally in the petrochemical plant, so many pipelines are there. That kind of camera we can use. PF series and scientific and research and development, B series and scout and law enforcement in different area, different applications, different series of camera is available. And for your kind information, these are the cameras. You see the E series, which is low cost camera, but still some industry they are using, maybe 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs, like that. But P series camera is somewhat more than 10 lakhs, up to 70 lakhs camera. Our IAPM consultant engineers, they are taking such type of camera, P65, P65 camera taking here and there. They are moving throughout the India for the thermography purpose. And this is the A series camera. And these are the gas find air camera in petrochemical and gas companies and the gas plant also you can use. And PF series camera, this is also best for research and development. But what are the specifications? Just like a mobile, a Samsung mobile or Apple, so many specifications there. As a user, the condition monitoring engineer, they must acquainted with the specification of the camera before its procurement or before writing a intent letter to the manufacturer. We should know something about the camera and its specification, its use by inviting the vendors or private third party. Those are doing the thermography. They will come, they will give demo. Your people will handle the camera, take some thermograph, what is the difference, and what are the, in this camera, what are the specification. That is very important thing. So it will take time, sir. Just like everything is available in the catalog. If you want to purchase this, then most important thing is in the thermography camera, you have to set the emissivity. Emissivity is everything. If emissivity setting is, because in the surface temperature, the different color, if emissivity is setting is not accurate, some camera having auto setting, some camera we have manually we are setting the emissivity for the actual surface color. Some shining surface like aluminum and mirror, there is reflective surface or shining or glazing surface. So emissivity setting is very important. For there, our thermography cameraman, they are setting the white papers and other things. By comparing this, they are set the emissivity. Normally, emissivity should not be more than 1. Normally, I'm telling the emissivity range is 0.8 to 0.95 you can set as for the gray, gray color, blue color. And as for the metal, surface, as for the metal, there is a emissivity standard is available manually or automatic camera. You can also, if you focus this, automatically emissivity is set. And distance you have to choose, relative humidity. There is so many functional keys are there. That means if you functional key, if you it will menu button, it will display. Just you set it and go and then focus and capture the pictures. Ambient temperature you have to set, reflect the temperature you have to set, atmosphere transfer, external optics temperature, external optics transform, everything you have to. So main besting guidelines, normally you can find out who, in which manufacturer, if selling the camera to you, they will give you a manual books. If, before using the camera, the person who will handle the camera, they should thoroughly read all by read and safety precautions, what to do and what to not to do, and what kind of precaution they should. There are so many things are there in the manual books. Okay. So there are 5 to 6 steps to handle the camera. And a thermographer should follow this. First is select equipment to be inspected. Which equipment? Electrical, mechanical, electronics, panel, motor, transformer, switchyard, pipeline, furnace, buildings, transformer. Which equipment you want to inspect it or take the thermography picture. Accordingly, you have to set all these things in the camera. Then before reading the manual instruction book, how can we set the first to check the battery whether charge or not. Display screen and menu buttons and functional key are functioning or not. Display screen is seeing or not. If it is okay, then battery is fully charged, and there is a just like your pen drive or everything for video recording or picture recording PCMI, just like a just like you say, just like a CD or everything. That means it is a storing device. PCMI MCI card is a storing device. Whatever the thermograph and whatever the data collected, that will be stored. You can upload it in the software, finding the solution. And after that, this functional key will after menu it will display in the thermal script. You set this. There is some secrecy. You can set this by taking the demo from the. Then thermographer should follow the safety rules. First thing is your personal protective equipments like your hand gloves, helmets, full shoe, safety shoes, mask according to your nuclear power plant, ammonia plant. So many precaution, whatever the safety precaution your peoples are doing, thermography camera, thermography graphers should also favor. Never enter without the accompanied by an area. Suppose I am a thermographer from IPM, I have visited your organization for doing thermography and give you remedial solution to take the necessary action. So directly I cannot enter in your subfloor. I will take the help of any in charge, HOD. They will accompany with me. Sir, this is our LT panel, this is our HT panel, this is our motor, like this. Then detector cooling completed, choose pellet. First you have to choose the pellet, focus, focus in the different resolution, auto adjust and manual adjustment is there. Sharp the thermalization totally in the display screen. You see the clear and transparent picture. Then you and select the temperature range and distance, and then save it. And that type of and give a serial number as per the date, and also serial number of the your thermograph number and the machine serial number and the location site. Everything will be recorded in there is a software. Everything you have to do. Then data collection, whatever the note down the data, note down the details of the equipment. Later we will insert or upload it in the software for the analysis purpose. Meaning this is a motor or this is a transformer in a 11 kV substation. This is a furnace. This is the pipeline in the gas plant. Everything, some reference things will be rated, just like what you are writing in the logbook. Note the temperature abnormal means delta T. What is the delta T comes in the rough work is required. Save, then save IR image. Note down the image reference number 500 like that. Note down the operating condition. Operating condition means whether machine was online or offline condition, energizing condition or de-energizing condition. Everything will be written. Thermometer will take all sort of data and also image and save it. And data will be recorded, and that will be uploaded. The software is already installed in your computer or your mobile. Just upload this, then PDF format will comes out, and you can prepare a report and print out and hand over the client. So take it, these are the problems, you do necessary action. Then after data collection, data will be compared, interpreted, analyzed by the software, or manually your human brain software is also there. We can also thermographer or analyst can do the examine the recorded temperature reading. What is the delta T rising temperature? What is the fault? Whether hot or cold, due to hot or due to cold problem is arises. View the IRMA using compactable and means short term and long term. Make an assessment of the severity of the fault. Whether it means risk analysis. That means your normal, marginal, critical, catastrophic, and you can also show it in the report. Green, yellow, and blue color. Most catastrophic critical point you can write down in the color.
Right.
Okay.
I think good. I think that is.
Sir, just a minute. So,
yeah.
see, sir.
No, I'm just worried about your time actually, because.
No, just let me today finish the thermography. It's better.
Sure.
So if another day from my side, I will also welcome.
Sure. No, go on. I'm just
okay.
It's because you wanted to cover
what happened.
Yeah.
Whatever the solution, whatever the service IPM is providing to different industry in India, it is our first and foremost duty. So what should be completed? That person should be maybe 30%.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. I was just worried about the time.
That's our motto, and management
no,
already is okay. Anyway,
Great, great,
so another
great.
day we can take, because client satisfaction our motto. Make an assessment of the severity of the fault, determine the type of correction action required. So when the recommendation suggestion, thermography analyst, the person who is analyzed by seeing the thermograph, they will write the recommendation. You do that, you do this, change that. You take within the 15 days, you take action. Otherwise, that part will be burnt. This type of things in the report we are writing, or every thermography or those are doing thermography, they are also writing. But exact solution is required. Then customize report and preparation. It is very, very important. Client satisfaction, because they will not provide the provide the purchase order to us, because we should satisfy them, and they will go for trend analysis every 3 months or 6 months, or every month they are inviting us for the thermography. So we will give the clear and transparent report, so that the maintenance manager, engineer, or technocrat who are looking after the machine and enhancing the life of the maintenance, they can take the maintenance. So first thing is, read the user guide of the software. The software, how can we upload in the software the thermogram recorder or save picture? That will be displayed. Then finally, by comparison, interpretation, analyze, the solution will come out, recommendation, suggestion, whatever the fault you find. Then finally, the analyst will write this. Prepare the suitable template, maybe PDF, maybe as per your suitability, as per the company require, and enter the data. First is in the report must be which company name, who is the thermography providers, date of inspection, time of inspection, already in the camera. On that web, it is already feeding in the camera. Suppose I have visited a petrochemical plant. I have written Haldia Petrochemicals, substation number 1, transformer serial number 1, or whatever, star delta, everything should be there. Then enter the data, use hotspot area, lines, result the table, find the table profile, if possible, glance report to provide them. There may be a trend, the graphically also we can present. It's better. So easily understand. No need to prepare a 1 book or 2 book, because there are so many equipment, maybe 3,000 equipment. Some transformer, some are motors. So every equipment there must be 1 page, 2 page PDF report, and everything at a glance. The user or the maintenance personnel easily understood. Yes, this is happening, and in the December it was happening like this. In the January, this is the trend. In the March, this is the trend. Between 3 months or between 6 months, there must be gap. As per at first, when we will implement the condition based maintenance or condition monitoring tools in a organization or a manufacturing industry, we should segregate the machine. Suppose you take motor in a cement plant or steel plant, maybe 3,000, 5,000 motor. Some are new motors, some are old motors, some are DC motor. Like this, we have to segregate. Accordingly, we will take action. So, which motor will be 3 months in inspection? In which machine will carry 6 months in inspection? Most critical motor which are conveyor belt, because otherwise production will stop. So every month, you IPM thermographer, please come and give the reports. 50, 60 drive motors are there, group motors are there. Please take these areas, and every month you come and give a report. Otherwise, company will purchase this and train the peoples and make them thermographers, and with the manufacturers and demo they should provide. Time to time they will start preparation, analysis, and also trend. They go for trend. Then they can also extend the life of the electrical system, mechanical system, and other. You see this picture. This is for your kind information. This is a report. Infrared thermography inspection. This is the natural picture. What every day a maintenance crew member or operator is seeing in the cable chamber. But after doing thermography, this thermogram comes into picture. In our naked eye, see nothing is happen. Every day, every morning, every shift we are seeing, nothing is happen. But after doing thermography, we find lot of anomaly. This is the difference than actual. That means what is the depth? From that temperature, spot and line at joint point, it is written there. From that, we are finding the delta T rise in temperature. And when we upload this picture with some information in the software, software will compare previous trend, means historical data, historical previous month's thermography, thermogram, and this present thermogram. So what is the difference? So finally, in graphically, this is the graphs, and this is the risks analysis by different color, blue, yellow, and this. And finally, recommendations written by the thermography analyst. This is the things. Anyway, then for the predictive maintenance program using IR thermography or IR infrared thermography camera, carry out IR inspection and prepare reports, plan for the maintenance as per the severity. That means maintenance strategy we will build, or the maintenance manager will, by seeing the trend, they can prepare when, which machine, and what time, the frequency of condition monitoring, that will be decided by the management. Take necessary corrective action for the fault, means emergency है, urgent लेना है, या 10 दिन का बाद लेने से भी चलेगा, या अब भी लेना है, ऐसे भी हम रिपोर्ट देते हैं, अब भी इसको रेक्टिफाई कीजिए, otherwise within 2 hours everything, your grid or your substation will be collapsed. Sometimes this type of report we have given on the spot. Sir, you do something, otherwise a transformer will be blast and total your substation will be blown out. So please do immediately within the 2 hours go for a emergency maintenance. From the thermography, this type of report, me and our teams and consultant engineers also given, seeing the thermograms and catastrophic condition or critical, monitoring periodically. Periodically means it depends. Both side agreement. Suppose the third party we are doing the thermography, suppose another company who is inviting us, it depends upon. We will convince them, sir, you do this, your maintenance is very poor and you people are not trained. We have to see also. That means we are not only for the income purpose or looting purpose that we are not doing. We seeing the plant, their plant must be available, their plant must be operable, their plant must be material, and the quality of machine well and good. Then they will pay us, they will invite us, they will respect us. That is the motto of a thermograph. Anyway, so conclusion before concluding the thermography session, I would like to share something. The application of infrared thermography is gaining importance in almost all industrial scenarios, means all machine, even also human body you can take thermography, because you can identify somebody having cancer in the people, the crew members who are working by thermography picture, also thermography camera also detect there. If corona person also thermal scanning, they will detect it. This technique is helping the plant engineer to predict any potential failure. But what is the demerits? Everything I have told you, this is most and very beautiful thing. It is a beautiful technological solution for the industry. But thing is that only demerit is it can detect the potential failure, but it cannot detect the functional failure. In the condition-based maintenance, PF, PF, potential failure and functional failure. Functional failure range, PF range, that functional failure it cannot detect. It will detect, but what is the source of ruin, source of trouble, it cannot tell. That we have to do for the making the industry zero breakdown. Zero breakdown means zero breakdown in Japanese concept, it is possible. In India, if 95% breakdown is achieved, that means we are Indian industry achieving also zero. Thereby planning the shutdown well before. Infrared thermography has proven to be an invaluable resource. That is, what is that? First is cost effective. It is save money, maintenance cost reduce, time, energy, human resource, and also finally asset ownership. Whatever the amount, whatever the money invested by, capital invested by our organization, immediately it show the return on investment after 1 year. Whatever the amount of maintenance cost reduced from the previous maintenance cost, that is cost effective, valuable diagnosis tools, easily it return, life cycle cost is more, guaranteed period is there, but carefully we have to handle the thermo. It is a sophisticated device. We have to carefully the thermography camera, improving the system efficiency or overall effectiveness of the machine, power quality, worker safety, and also because it gives a well early advance warning, not only the machine but also people's, but also about the systems and about the distribution lines, about the cables, about the pipelines, average outage and valuable equipment failure and line load. Okay, sir, thank you.
And using this technology, we can also validate normal operations, identify thermal anomalies which are not visible to the eye, and these can be useful to indicate any possible faults or defects in the system. And you also covered areas in which infrared can be applied, like electrical system, mechanical system, fluid flow, buildings, and then with some due training, we professionals can learn how to interpret the images and make sense out of it and take corrective action. I think thank you so much, Professor Barik and your team, IIPM, and I think it's Kamal. I think we can
Yeah,
conclude. Yeah.
So thank you, Mr. Barik and IIPM team for having this fantastic session on thermography. So there are, as you said, there are a lot of application not only in plants but in other areas like healthcare, like airports, and also it was a very important topic. As a leader, we all need to understand this. So, and in next session we will be doing this weird every analysis. So thanks for agreeing on that particular session. So from CIOs of India, we would like to say heartiest thank to you. Thank you.